Hey, what's up guys, this is Mo and once again welcome into my channel GNG Infinity. So today I'm going to show you how to move an image from your timeline to a particular album in case if you are a Facebook page holder. Previously I have done a tutorial video on the same subject, but that was in case if you are a Facebook account holder. Now many people has asked me that if we are a Facebook account holder, then now many people has raised this question that if I am a Facebook page holder, then what will be the process? Will the process be same or will the process vary? So today I will show you, if you are a Facebook page holder, how you can move the image from timeline to another album. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go to this video. You can see this is my laptop wallpaper, home screen. Let's go to the Facebook page. So this is the page. This is the Review Infinity page. Now Review Infinity is of my another YouTube channel, and that channel I post different kinds of reviews and different kinds of political discussion and other funny videos, comedy videos. We do all kinds of videos in Review Infinity channel. So I'll be putting this channel's description below this video. Please do subscribe my this channel Gadget Infinity and as well as Review Infinity channel. So let's start. So I need to post an image first. So click on photos and videos. Let's upload a picture and let's post it first. Then afterwards we will see how to move that picture from timeline to the album. So suppose let's post this picture. The picture is getting uploaded. After posting, I preferably refresh my page, but it's okay if you don't do it also. Now you can see that the image that I have posted in the image that I have posted in my Facebook page, it has already been shown. This is the Facebook page. This is the photo that I have posted right now. So I will try to move this photo from timeline to the album. Now to find the list of albums, you have to go to the photos category. Now how you will find the photos category? At the very left hand side of your page, you can see a number of categories are there: home, post, videos, photos, about, community, offers, jobs. So click on the photos and you can see that you can see the number of albums you have in your Facebook page. Now I have only 3 albums in this Facebook page and I do not feel like creating any new album, but if you want to create a new album, then you can create. You can see there is an option called create album. You click on this plus sign, but in case you have already generated some albums and you want to transfer the photos from timeline, this is the timeline from here to that particular album, then you can do it right now. So I have this particular image that I have created is in timeline photos. So click on the timeline photos. Okay, so you can see this is my timeline photos album. These are the photos that I have already posted in my timeline. So let's click the photo that I have created. So this is the photo that I have already posted in the timeline zone. Now I need to move this particular image. So there are only 2 ways. One is there's a pen symbol in the top right corner of this image, where if you take your cursor over there, it will show edit or remove. The same thing that you can see right now in the screen. If you click on that, you will see a couple of options like make profile picture for page, make cover photo, move to another album. Now click on this option, move to another album. Now you can see a pop-up has come up where it has been asked to you move photo to another album. Select another album for this photo. Now you can see a drop-down menu. If you click on this drop-down menu, then you can see the number of albums. And as I have no other albums, you can click create album. Then you can click. Now you can see there is an option called create album. And as I have no album in my zone, so I will be clicking create album. What will happen if I click on create album? It will create an entire album with this photo. So you do not need to create another album by going to the photos, by creating album, by uploading a photo, nothing like that. Straight away, if you want to move this particular image in a fresh album, then create on this pop-up option, this drop down menu, and select this option create album and then click move photo. Now you can see a fresh new album has been created with that photo only that you want to move. Now you can name the album, say something about this album, which I am not writing right now. If you want to add more photos, then you can add more photos. If you don't want to add more photos, then simply click on save. See, now you can see a new album has been created with the particular name that I have typed in and the photo that I wanted to transfer from the timeline to this album. So this is how you can move from your timeline to album. This is one process. This is how you move from your timeline photo album to a fresh new album. This is one process. Another way is there. Let's go to the timeline photos. Now you can see that these 4 are the timeline photos. Now I am selecting this second picture. This coming soon, YouTube video coming soon, this second picture, and I will be moving this particular image into that particular album that I have created just now. So click on this image directly. So this time you will not click on this pen where you have already clicked previous time. You will simply click on this image. You can see the image has opened up. Now how to transfer this image directly to another album? People usually go to this 3 dot option in the right hand side, but they can't find any option to move this image to the album. Obviously you cannot find this option because the option is not there. The option is very much invisible. If you don't move your cursor into the photo, then the option will be invisible to your eyes. If you move your mouse cursor to this photo, then only the options will pop up in the bottom of this photo. You can see the option is like, comment, share, tag photo, options, and send in messenger. You click in options. Now you can see a bunch of pop-up option has been emerged. Now in that pop-up option, if you go from below, then the 4th one will be moved to other album. Click on that. Now again that pop-up option has come up. Like the previous one. Move photo to another album. Select album. Move photo to another album. Select album for this photo. Now you can see the name of the new album that I have created. If you want to save the album that you have created previously, click on that. Or if you want to another fresh new album with this particular photo, just like you have done in the previous process, then you can select create album. But I want to transfer this photo, the new album that I have created. So I will be selecting this name of the album and then click move photo. Please do refresh once your page. See, that photo has already been removed from timeline photos. Now we will see that whether that photo has already been uploaded in the newly created album or not. This is the album that I have already created a few minutes ago. Click on this album. Now you can see both of the pictures has already been shifted to the newly created album. In this tutorial video, not only I have showed you the 2 process of moving a picture to a particular album, but also I have shown you how to move the picture and create an entire album once at a time. If you like this video and if you want me to do more tutorial videos, let me know what problems you are facing and what kind of tutorial videos you need. After that, I will post all those tutorial videos of your choice and try to solve your problems online. Also, please like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe my channels. Thank you so much, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the first notification of my future videos.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.